Hi guys, it's me, Millie Billy, and today I'll be showing you clips of me playing Animal Crossing, and I'm finding eggs, and it's all around my island, and we can make the eggs into DIYs. There's lots of different kinds of eggs, and also I'm going to give them to Zipper. Zipper's basically the Easter egg rabbit. Whee! This is fun!
There's Zipper.
Yeah, there's Zipper!
Oh, see? You want us to get more recipes, basically. Every day there's going to be more recipes.
What?
Yeah. We can craft all of them, okay?
Yeah!
We have to check everything, the trees and the rocks. Even go fish as well.
Oh my
So go back, that's the more. Yeah. Oh, it's Sunday, April 4th.
It's only stop on April the 4th.
Yeah.
We better get the eggs while it lasts.
Exactly, that's it. Oh, she wanted to be a secret as well. Oh, he. Oh. You won't find eggs. Well, okay. In buildings.
Building?
Not in buildings. Oh, look how excited their hair. He's so excited. Oh, okay. The beach. It's good to look around the beach. I know that. Well, it's hard to. At least we've got the earth egg there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Sorry, we're going to look at this. Oh yeah, you're looking at the DIY. Good. Oh yeah. Yeah, open the DIY. Good. Yes. Bunny Day.
Wow.
Bunny Day lamp. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you just got, the Bunny Day lamp. Okay, let's go up. So you've got the Bunny Day table earlier and the lamp. Okay. Okay, there you go across. How do you go across?
Yep, I did it.
Oh, that's smart. You saw the hole. Yeah, good. Okay, what do you think's in there? Oh no, not there. Come on. Come on, you know where. There you go.
I found the up.
Good. Now you can do a DIY recipe because you got so many eggs. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, look around. Yeah, I like the earth egg there. I like the sky egg. Oh, yes! Bunny Day wall clock. That's a good one.
Wow!
Yeah. Look how many earth eggs you've got.
Oh my goodness. We have like
Yeah, you need space.
20.
Yeah. Good, you picked it up, made space dropping off that wood. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you check the bowl. Yeah, why are you checking the bowl? Check it. Boing-a-doing. Boing. Great, sorry. What is it saying? Yeah. They're like happy about it. They're walking.
I found another earth egg.
Oh, so I think each one's different from different eggs. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, see? We already knew the recipe, the wall clock, because we got that before. Oh my goodness. Alright. Those holes is what she built for her friend she usually plays with. You can give a shout out to your friend if you want.
Yeah, she's called Chelsea.
Okay, where should we go now? Oh, that's not the bunny zipper we want. Oh, but, oh. Yeah, I don't think you need it, no? Why do you want to drop it? I don't get it. You want to hit the tree. Why are you in the tree? Okay.
There might be eggs. I see. I'm not sure if I see a wood egg.
I guess you got to try any of these trees, right?
Okay.
Oh, no, you can dig if you want. Oh,
It's
fossil.
a false egg. Wow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What about that hole there? Oh, are you picking up iron nuggets to make more space?
Yeah, so the egg can fall out and
Yeah,
there would be enough space.
that's smart.
I see a hole. Look.
Oh, look at that egg!
Egg!
That egg looks beautiful.
A rocket.
Oh, he picked up that egg. That's good. That's nice.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see if we look around. Yeah, you don't need a plant. Sunday glow garland. Oh! Oh, you know the Bunny Day glow guard. That's good.
Okay.
That's good. The more DIYs, it's important. Oh, basic painting. You are a DIY girl after all in real life. You like painting a lot, all the time.
Yeah. All the time.
Mary Balloon! Nice.
I see a balloon. A present in the sky. And I also see...
Oh, the tree block, tree eggs.
Yeah, I see 3 eggs too.
Good. Good, you shaped it. But don't forget that flower, that balloon with the present. Oh, close. Come on, probably a bit more right. Do it. Ah! What are you doing? Jumping around like you rock.
Yeah!
Oh, good egg.
I got it.
What do you get? I want to know what you got. What do you think you get?
I'm not sure. 1,000 bells!
10,000.
10? What? Wow. Let's pick up the 3 eggs now.
Oh, yeah. You can make. Oh, yeah, the beach. Oh, you see that? Oh, good spot.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, make sure you dig it carefully this time. Oh, fine, you know how to do it. Now, yeah, now, good now. Oh my goodness! It might go out. Oh my goodness, the dig might go. Oh, you can do it. Yeah!
Yeah!
An earth egg. That's a good egg to get. Oh, okay. Oh, look, another present. Oh
And
my.
I also see a message in the bottle.
Yeah. But you gotta check what the present is first. It could be anything to do with the game.
Yeah, I know. I opened it.
A cute floor lamp. So we want Easter theme.
Yeah, I saw a hole.
Oh, there.
That's.
Can you dig
I
it?
wanted to see how it looked.
Yes! Another earth
Wow!
egg.
Yay! I did it.
She's only 7 and she can do all of this. Wait, do you hear the wind? Is that something?
Yes. And it might be an Easter balloon.
Ah. Let's hope.
Yes.
Come on, are you like just happy looking at your eggs or something? Look at your eggs. Ah. Oh, that annoying bug guy. He wants to make him another model. I love the dinosaur setup we've all got up there.
Yeah. I see a fountain. Wow.
Yeah, the fountain you set up
Yes.
for you and Chelsea.
Yeah, me and Chelsea. And I also look.
Oh.
Look, an Easter balloon.
Okay, come on, go get. You have to get the slingshot before it's too late.
That's what I'm doing. Look, an Easter slingshot.
Oh. Close.
Okay, let's see.
Oh no! We've got to pick it up quickly. We like people doing a lot of these bell trees.
Yeah, bell trees.
Oh, you can get it ready? Oh,
Ah, we got it. We got.
oh, you put
Oh,
it for. Wait, chop
man.
it. Yeah, chop it for that coal. Yeah,
Yeah, because we sell like lots of things on the beach.
exactly.
So
Oh, what DIY fight did you get? Barney Day wardrobe. Nice.
Wow!
Okay. Yes. Barney Day wardrobe. Splendid. Now you can. Okay, what else is along the beach? Oh, the hole. Oh, you don't want the hole? Okay. Oh, the tree. Oh, Oh, she likes doing many things. Now she wants to go for the hole because I mentioned the tree. Ah, that's what you get for avoiding the tree, a fossil. It's good though if you go to Blavers. Alright, we need that tree as well. So many trees with eggs.
Yeah, I know.
What are you doing? You can't dig the tree. Oh, well, you could dig the tree if you ate something, but don't eat the eggs. Her sister another time off camera was eating. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. That's a good one to get from the shop. So thank you very much for watching. So we've been playing different parts of the day because sometimes when you download, record footage from the console itself, you can run out of storage space quickly, and we're enjoying the game so much. So we tried to share Millie Billy's fun, and we hope you enjoyed collecting the eggs. And make sure you play Animal Crossing on 4th of April, and make sure you remember us. And if you want to visit our island, message us on her Instagram.
Yes, and we'll send you my code, and you can come to my island whenever you want.
So how do we end this?
Bye guys, subscribe and hit the bell button and like. Bye!
We'll go to get you.